Today I'll be giving a demonstration on how to create a roof in Revit and how to make adjustments to it. So first in 3D view, let's go to our top view, select the roof tool, and here it's detected our current layer is pretty low. Let's put it on second floor, which can be changed later, but we'll do it that way for now. Now, here we have the various ways to draw the roof. We can just do it with lines or rectangle, but right now it is selected to choose walls, which makes it faster. Select that, 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 hit the check mark, and we now have a roof. But let's say we want to change this into a hipped roof as opposed to how it is now. So let's go back to the top view, double click. Now let's select these lines, and here where it says defines roof slope, hit the check mark and hit apply. Notice how the triangles on the sides disappear. Okay. And now we have a hipped roof. But it is open, so we want to extend the walls up. What we're going to do is double click, delete this, and we're going to need to draw some lines. So from here to here. All the way around. Hit OK. And we do that for the other side, but that can be done later. And yeah, that's how you make a roof and adjust it. There's also other ways to modify it. Like, let's say we want to adjust the slope, select the lines. Let's make it say, oops, don't know why I did that. Reselect these. Change it to say 4/12. And it lowers the roof pitch. And that's how the roof tool works.